In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Moving CO Covariance in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and that you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame you like. What matters is that you're on the main charting screen where you can see candles and the toolbar around the edges. To get started, move your attention to the top of the charting interface. You'll see a button labeled Indicators. Go ahead and click on that. This is where TradingView keeps all of its built-in indicators, community scripts, and any custom tools you have saved. Anytime you want to add something new to your chart, this is the place you'll come back to. Once you click on Indicators, a panel will pop up, usually in the middle or on the side of the screen. At the very top of that panel, you'll see a search box. Click directly into that search box so you can type. This search field is extremely useful because TradingView has a huge library of indicators, and scrolling through everything manually would take a lot of time. With the cursor active in the search box, start typing Moving CO Covariance. Type the name carefully and give it a moment. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the list of results below. You should see Moving CO Covariance appear in the list. If it does not show up right away, double check your spelling or try typing just the key parts of the name, like Moving CO, and look through the results for the full indicator title. When you see Moving CO Covariance in the results list, click on it once. As soon as you click, TradingView will automatically add it to your chart. You should notice a new panel appear or new plots overlaying your existing price chart, depending on how the indicator is designed. From here, you can fine-tune it by opening the settings for the indicator and adjusting inputs like length, smoothing, or colors, so it fits your trading style and is easy to read. Now, if you want to unlock the full experience and take advantage of more advanced features, make sure you are using TradingView Pro. I have an affiliate link in the description that you can use to sign up or upgrade your account. Using that link supports the channel at no extra cost to you, and it helps you get the most out of tools like Moving CO Covariance by giving you access to more indicators on the chart, more alerts, and an overall smoother workflow. That's all there is to it. Click Indicators, use the search box to find Moving CO Covariance, add it to your chart, and if you are ready to level up, use the link in the description to get TradingView Pro and start exploring its full potential.